In this video, I will show you exactly how to enhance your next form by injecting a professional drop-down menu selector box directly into your Typeform project. This is a fantastic way to keep your design clean while offering your respondents a clear list of predefined choices. To get started, you will want to direct your attention to the left-hand panel of your screen where your entire question sequence layout list is displayed. Look for the circular button with a plus sign labeled as Add New Question and give that a click to open up your options. Once the menu of question types appears, you have two easy ways to find what you need. You can either scroll through the list of icons manually or simply type the word drawdown into the search bar at the top to filter the results immediately. Once you see the drawdown option, go ahead and select it to add a new slide to your workspace. Now that your new question is active, you will see a large text area in the center workspace canvas. This is where you should type your main question or the specific prompt that you want your audience to answer. After you have settled on the perfect wording for your question, it is time to populate the actual list of choices. You can easily add your menu options by using the Question Settings panel located on the right side of the interface. Or you can simply type your selections directly into the individual choice fields provided in the center. As you add more choices, the drawdown box will automatically expand to accommodate them all. This method ensures that your form remains compact and organized even if you have a long list of items for participants to choose from. By following these simple steps, you can create a much more interactive and user-friendly experience for everyone who engages with your content online. It truly makes your data collection process much smoother and look very professional.